Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a half step wave or a baby wave. And it's called a half step wave because it covers half the distance from one pleater thread to the next. Now I'm starting with my DMC thread, and I've got 3 strands that I've stripped, and I've put a knot on the end and threaded a number 7 crewel needle. And we use the crewel needle because it's number 7 has got an eye big enough for the 3 threads, and the needle is fat enough to make a hole in the fabric big enough for the 3 threads to sit side by side. So I'm going to start with a smocker's knot, and the smocker's knot, you bring your needle through just below a pleater thread in a valley, and the valley is the bit between the pleats as opposed to the top, which is the fold. So I've got my thread coming through the valley, and then I take my needle through to the left hand side of the first pleat, and I'm just coming in a third of the way down from the top of the pleat to the valley. So I'm picking up 1/3 of the pleat each time. So then to start my half step wave, I need to start with an up cable, so my thread is up above my needle, and I pick up the next pleat along, keeping my needle parallel to the pleater threads at all times. And I'm just picking up the top third of each pleat, and I pull my thread down in the direction it's going, which gives me a nice neat pleat. So because with a baby wave I'm now going to travel down, I want my thread to be up. So whenever I'm travelling down, my thread is up. And I pick the next pleat up, and I pick it up just less than half the way down from the pleater thread there and that pleater thread. And I take up just less than half the way down so that my stitch sits just on the halfway point. And then pull my thread down in the direction it's going to get a nice neat wave. I'm now going to do a down cable to finish off, so I leave my thread down and I pick up the next pleat along just the top third and just above the halfway point. I'm now going to travel up towards the next pleater thread, so I put my thread down and picking up the next pleat along and then pull my thread up in the direction it's going. I'm going to do an up cable now, so I leave my thread where it is and I pick up the next pleat along just the top third and pull my thread nice and neat. And there we have your first half step wave. So you can see it covers half the distance from that pleater thread to that pleater thread. So if I want to continue, I put my thread up because I'm going to travel down, across from my cable, thread down to travel up, and then thread staying up for my up cable to finish off. And that's your half step wave. Okay. You don't want to pull your thread too tight. You want to pull it so that your pleats just pull towards each other, just so they're nice and snug. If you pull too close together, then you'll get like a waistline, and if you leave them too loose, then your smocking will actually stretch too much when you've finished it.